Hey there, it is Simon here and welcome to Aussie Guitar Lessons Weekly. Thanks so much for watching. Today we are going to tackle the Angels' Love Takes Care from Liveline. So we're going to kick off at the beginning. We've got some sort of saxophone ad-libbing going on in a minute, and then there's a bit of, at the beginning rather, and then there's a bit of tambourine. The tambourine keeps count for about 4 bars, and then the acoustic guitar comes in with down, down, up, down, up. So you're basically going to play E major, down, down. Your pinky is going to go on the sus4. So down, down, up, down, up. Pretty straightforward, right? And you repeat that. That E pattern, right? So you go. Right? 4 times. Okay, and then we've got 8 bars, and it repeats a repeating pattern of a 4-bar repeating pattern. We're going to B, A, E. Now, if you like, sometimes you can. There's 2 guitars. You can hear. Kind of more open sounding one. That kind of thing, right? How you play that, I've just got 2, 4, and 4, right? And then the 2 open strings underneath. You get that kind of sound, right? You can also play the same chord like a bar chord, but just open up underneath. Same kind of idea. So, A, or B, A, E. Okay, that happens twice. And then we've got another 4 bars, A, twice, B. And then what the chorus line is, E. All right, that leads us up to where the verse starts. Now, we've effectively almost played all the parts that you kind of need to play this song, but let's talk about them in terms of what the doing with the singing. We've basically got a verse, and the verse is 2 bars of B, 1 bar of A, 1 bar of E. That repeats. Same thing, down, up, down, down, up. Then pre-chorus, A, B. Then chorus, B, A, E. Put a sus4 in there if you like. Okay? And then that loops around, it goes right to the beginning of the verse, plays the pre-chorus, plays the chorus. All right, then we've got a bridge. We've got 2 bars of A, 1, 2 bars of E, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 2 bars of A, and then E, B, A. Repeat that. E, B, A. And then there's a solo, right? E, B, A, E. This is the second time, I think, right? A, last time, E, B, A, and then we go back to the verse. You go all the way through the verse, so B, B, A, E, B, B, A, E, then pre-chorus, A, B, B, chorus, B, A, E, E, and then you go to the coda, which basically just does the... So how you choose to play that Now in the back as well, there's another guitar kind of doing that kind of. That kind of stuff. So B, A, E. And all I'm doing there is I've got a B, A, you hit the C and then C sharp underneath. That kind of thing, E. All right. I hope that was interesting to you. Thanks so much for watching. I do appreciate it. I will see you later. Bye for now.